Hi friends, welcome back to 12 Days for Christmas. Today we are going to make a semi-homemade chicken and wild rice soup. I'm going to start by warming up some extra virgin olive oil in a pan. This is a Dutch oven. And then we're going to add our vegetables. We have carrots, onion, celery, mushrooms, and bell pepper. So we're going to get that in there so that we can get them soft enough for the soup. And we'll give that a quick little stir to get everything coated. Now we're adding in our chicken broth or stock, whichever one you prefer, and giving that a nice little stir. Now I'm going in with some cream of chicken soup and some cream of mushroom soup. Now here you want to get in there and get this really, really creamy. So you want to break it down out of that can formation and just do these little whisk stirs. You can actually use a whisk to do that instead of the wooden spoon that I have. So we'll get that smooth for our stock for soup. And now we're going to go in and add some chicken. I got a rotisserie chicken from Publix and this just shredded it myself to add it in there. So I'm adding in all of the chicken that I shredded. And I think I only did a half a chicken for this recipe, for this amount of soup. So now we got everything in. I'm adding in some ready rice, and that is the brown rice and wild rice from Uncle Ben's. So I add in 2 of these, and I do not cook them for the complete time in the microwave. I just do half of it so that it doesn't get mushy in the soup. So now we're going ahead and stirring everything in since we've added all of our ingredients. And now we're going to go ahead and get into some seasonings. That is Italian seasoning, and I'm pretty heavy-handed with my seasonings, so you can add as much as you like or as less as you like. And I'm also going to go in with some onion powder, some garlic powder, but like I said, put as much or as not as much as you'd like. It's how you like your food seasoned. So that's garlic powder that we're adding in now, and I'm going to add in some pepper too, or I may have already added it in. Give that a stir. And now I added just a little bit of minced garlic into the pot as well. Stir all of that up. Now you can kind of see everything in the pan. The soup formation is kind of coming together. So now we're going to cover that and let it simmer for about, I would say 20-25 minutes. And then you'll take the top off and it will look like this. And there is your semi-homemade chicken and wild rice soup. I like a little spice in mine, so I add some Tonys in there. That is up to you. You can or you don't have to. But that soup has come together. It's full of like body and it smells amazing. And it tastes even better. So if you guys make this, let me know. Thank you for watching 12 Days of Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.